Mimi, the biggest red flag that I ignored, and the one that I think a lot of women are still ignoring out here, is nizalie ndio nikuoe.
Yes, hiyo nyingine.
Guys,
nizalie kamoja.
Niliza imagine.
Nizalie kamoja alafu tuone venye itaenda.
Alafu ndio nikuoe. Man, that is, if a man ever tells you that, please, Murife, run as fast as you can. You're not a baby making machine. You are not a trial and error type of shit. Kama mtu anataka kukuoa aoe, atajua kama utamzalia uko mbele ama hapana. But that one, na najua watu wengi wana ignore hapa nje. A man is taking care of you, and before you know it, they don't want to do things officially. If you are an official, you want to go the official way. I know it's not for everyone, and then they want to convince you ati kama unanipenda nizalie, ama kama unataka nikuoe nizalie kwanza. Tashanga utalia kuliko huyo mtoto wako.